On the left, a pencil drawing I did of a friend's plant, dated December 1970. And I see the roots of my art studies and subsequent art career as a linear-based artist, which has continued to this very day. It's now 2020, 50 years later. Apparent in the line drawing and composition and so on. Then I did a linoleum block print of it. I have at least one other proof aside from this one, which it looks like I printed twice. Once like in the darker blue underneath, and then I angled in a lighter shade of blue ink and overprinted that, which actually made an interesting kind of array of line, tone, the light blue, the dark blue, and the color of the paper in the background there. The houseplant. All right, there you have it. It is July 19th, 2020. It's almost 50 years later. Whoosh! Time flies. Well, just looking back, it takes its time. Otherwise, day by day, second by second, year by year, month by month, and so on.